Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video. This package is from Lavish Nails by Liz. I am officially an ambassador for her business and I am so excited to show you guys the cute items she sent over in this PR package. And then this package is also combined with another order I made previously. But anyways, thank you so much, Liz, for sending this PR package for me. And once again, I can't wait to show you guys what comes in this goodie bag. I love the packaging. I love the pink, and it's such a pretty color. And I think it just all ties in together. So to start off, we have these beautiful rainbow butterfly decals. Next up, we have this pot of gold flakes, which the size is a pretty decent size. I was surprised how big it was. I can't wait to use these on a set. And then we have these beautiful charms that are available on her website currently. They are so cute, and there is a variety of them. So first off, we have these cute little gummy bears. They're super cute. It's a perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too small. Here I'm showing you all the other charms that came in, but once again, with the gummy bears, I believe they come in a set of 4. And then after that, we have the Hello Kitty that comes in 2 colors, red and pink. The shooting star, which is so adorable, and I can't wait to use it on one of my future sets. Then we have, of course, the orange sun rhinestones, which these are super shiny and I highly recommend them. And we can't go wrong with some classic AB crystals, which I have used on my past videos. And then we have here 100 and 180 grit file. This is Japanese quality, so it's super sturdy, super adorable. I compared it to my not polished one, and I could honestly say it's exactly the same or even better. And if you want that sharp shape, I could definitely say this is the way to go. Then she did send a little thank you card, which I love when businesses do that. I feel like important, so thank you for that. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing, and now I will be doing some swatches. This is the Fantasy collection that consists of 12 colors. You can purchase them separately, and they are such pretty colors. I will be leaving the names on there so you could check it out. And this, I believe, it was inspired by Disney, like Disney movies or characters or just phrases that reminds you of, a movie or something like that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I can't wait to make some sets with these amazing products. One more thing, I did not test out or swatch the top coat because I do use it on my previous videos. So go ahead and check my videos out so you could see that bomb shine on that top coat. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed. We are up to 126 subscribers. And I'm thinking of doing a giveaway, so please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. And I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Enjoy the swatching. Bye.